Uh-oh, spaghetti-o. Look at that. This is what I had to do. I had to take this tile on the floor up because you remember this was leaking right here, and I've got a bucket down in there. Maybe you can see it today. Maybe you can see it. See that bucket down there? Anytime the air conditioner gets turned on, it's gonna drip in there, and now see this floor? It's all nice and dry, but it started lifting up some of those vinyl tiles. And so I thought, well, all these right in this area came up pretty easy, and I thought I would just continue it down here, and you know, it kind of worked out really well. And so I went into the closet here, and I took these tiles out. These came out nice and easy too. They just lifted right up. They weren't that tight down to the floor. But this is some oily mastic that was installed years ago. You see, it's still kind of shiny. It's almost slightly moist, not really, but you know, I've got a dilemma here. My question is what to do with this floor. I was going to float over this floor with some concrete veneer finish, you know, over the tiles. Now that I've lifted the tiles up, I could float directly over this, but I want to try to get this off. Okay, this is an oil-based mastic material that was used many years ago, and if I can get this off, this floor will have so much character in it on the old concrete rather than brand new concrete. Now see this right here? Here's one tile that I tried to clean off. Pulled up that and just tried to clean it, and that took me forever. I used some WD-40, I used some paint thinner, I think I did, and I'm going to try some different things because there's no way I'm going to do that for this entire floor, because people they're living in here, staying here, and it's going to be too smelly. If nobody was living in here, we could maybe do it that way. But I'm going to try some different things. I've got a wire brush. This is that orange cleaner, remember, I used for the baseboards, and that's a degreaser, so I'm going to try some of that. But I'm also going to try something else that you've probably never heard of. Stick with me and I'll show you what it is.